2016 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.